स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा
Good morning. Today we have assembled here to share our views on Swachhta, a long forgotten dream visualized by the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi once said, sanitation is more important than independence. He made cleanliness and sanitation an integral part of the Gandhian way of living. His dream was total sanitation for all. Cleanliness is most important for physical well-being and a healthy environment. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, comprehend the requirement for neatness, paid attention to it, and in this arrangement he propelled the tidiness crusade in India to be specific Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission is a country-wide campaign initiated by the Government of India in 2014 to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management. Government of India, under the strong leadership of our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, launched a nationwide cleanliness initiative in the form of Swachhta Pakhwada from 1st to 15th September every year since 2016. Under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, focusing on cleanliness and hygiene. Cleanliness or Swachhta is not new to our country. Our long, effective and strong tradition like washing hands before eating, taking daily bath, respect for nature, all leads to Swachhta. Even one of the northeastern state, Meghalaya, boasts of the cleanest village in Asia, Mawlong, which has inspired many to follow the principle of sustainable development for longer period without polluting our environment and saving resources for future generations. This can only be achieved through environment-friendly lifestyle, respecting and preserving the environment, collective efforts. While leading the mass movement for cleanliness, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister, urged people for a clean and hygienic India. Picking up the broom to clean the dirt, making Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a mass movement across our nation, he called upon the citizens of India to neither litter nor let other litter. His mantra of "Na karenge, na karne denge" has received a great recognition and has become a household chorus for Indians all around the globe. It is essential for us to grab the habit of cleanliness from a young age. It is very unhygienic to spit or throw litter on the road. It is also harmful as the germs may infect others. A clean person is not the one who runs away from the dirt, but one who takes the time and efforts to clean up a dirty environment. If you want to drink clean water and breathe in clean air, we must do our share to clean the environment. A small step in right direction can lead us to success. During Corona, this became more relevant, the only effective solution to eradicate Corona COVID pandemic. Last but not the least, when young minds introspect and discuss on Swachhta, the goal of Swachh Bharat cannot remain far-fetched. Jai Hind.
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको, अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको।
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको,
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर।
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जोत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी, दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चमक चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा,
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
ओ स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी, दम चमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
सूरज को स्नान कराना है, धरती को भी नहलाना है। जो मन से निकले उमड़ घुमड़, उस नदी को आज बहाना है। स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
ओ स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे जोत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे।